Today, anyone can make AI videos easily. I'll guide you to use AI avatars and set up your YouTube news channel with Wondershare in any language or topic without wasting any time. Let's get started.
You will need a Wondershare account to use Wondershare VIRBO AI. Go to the Wondershare official website from the link I provided in this video's description. Click the Sign In button, then click Create an account, and you can continue using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or any email account. Click the free download button to start downloading the VIRBO AI installer. Go back to your Wondershare VIRBO AI app. Navigate to the Video Templates page. Type news in the search bar and select the desired news video template.
Good evening and welcome to Wondershare TV Finance News.
Click the Create Video button to generate your video and open the VIRBO AI editor page. On the left panel, you will see your scenes. You can add, delete, and duplicate scenes from this panel. Make edit if needed. Now let's choose your AI avatar. Click the Avatars button. Select your avatar and click the OK button to use this avatar in your current scene. Or activate Apply to All Storyboard before clicking OK button to use this avatar in all your scenes. Resize your avatar to match the screen size. Wondershare VIRBO AI also provides sitting avatars that are suitable for a newscaster, which you can use if you want. Now click the AI script button and paste your article or news script. Use the Smart Optimization function to rewrite your article into a new version. You can choose the writing style you want. In this example, I will use an engaging style. After you're satisfied with your news script, click the Apply button. If you want to translate the news script into a new language, you can use the AI translation feature. Click the AI translation button and select your target language. Click Apply to use this translation. VIRBO AI will automatically detect your AI script and set the language for the AI voiceover settings. To customize the AI voice, click the language option, select the best voice that matches your AI avatar.
Wondershare VIRBO. Easy to use, no need to shoot.
Wondershare VIRBO. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international
Wondershare VIRBO. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
Click OK to save this change. You can set the speed, pitch, and volume if needed. You can turn on or off auto subtitles by clicking the subtitle option. Click the Play Script button to preview your AI video voiceover.
Embark on a captivating journey through the realms of our AI news channel. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing intricacies of artificial intelligence, AI, as we unravel its marvels in a language so easily.
Create new scene by clicking plus button on the scene panel. Click the default template. Upload your video by clicking the Import button. Select your video and click the Open button. After that, right-click on the video and select the Move to Bottom option. Then, you can add or move your news script. And click the Preview button.
Embark on a captivating journey through the realms of our AI news channel. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing intricacies of artificial intelligence, AI, as we unravel its marvels in a language so easily understood.
Now export this video. Here is the result.
Embark on a captivating journey through the realms of our AI news channel. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing intricacies of artificial intelligence, AI, as we unravel its marvels in a language so easily understood. Within this extraordinary domain, we delve into the profound impact AI has on every corner of our world. Prepare to be spellbound as we proudly present a magnificent procession of avant-garde AI developments. Witness awe-inspiring robots achieving astonishing feats right before your eyes, while ingenious gadgets effortlessly simplify and enhance our lives. Each moment brimming with splendor and ingenuity, our channel promises an experience like no other. Prepare to be spellbound as we proudly present a magnificent procession of avant-garde AI developments. Witness awe-inspiring robots achieving astonishing feats right before your eyes, while ingenious gadgets effortlessly simplify and enhance our lives. Each moment brimming with splendor and ingenuity, our channel promises an experience like no other.
Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye!